The lovely campus of Symbiosis International University is located in one heart of the lush green hills spread over 350 acres, giving us a chance to coexist harmoniously with nature. Nature enthusiasts from various institutes have teamed up with the biodiversity cell of the campus, which works relentlessly to document and conserve hundreds of plant and animal species for whom Lovely is home. Sarthak Agarwal and Keyur Bhatt, members of Biodiversity Cell, were extremely fortunate to record this rare footage of a common crate making its meal out of a balloon frog. We are proud of Bandhara, the water reservoir which was built in 2015. Wastewater from the campus, which gets filtered at a treatment plant, has become home to many species of snakes, small mammals, and birds. It is heartening to see that many migratory birds have chosen Bandhara as their winter residence every year. Students from our campus have successfully uploaded data of 119 species of birds on eBird, with the numbers still counting. Students of Biodiversity Cell have also installed camera traps to document the more elusive creatures of our campus. Three butterfly gardens have been made by the students, which have become safe breeding grounds and homes for at least 40 species of butterflies. Nature walks are organized at least 3 times a month and are popular among the students. Apart from inculcating a sense of respect for nature within the students, we also try to increase awareness and minimize growing adverse effects of plastic pollution. Cleanup drives are organized frequently and students gather in big numbers to work tirelessly for maintaining the cleanliness and greenery of the campus. Plastic is recycled at a special treatment plant to reduce as much wastage as possible and to ensure a sustainable lifestyle on the campus. We have been fortunate enough to learn and gain further knowledge from experts who visit frequently for sessions and walks with the students. Their works have sparked an interest in many students and have made them more aware of the environment which surrounds them.
This looks like a mushroom, but it is not a mushroom. So mushroom is a fungus, but not all fungus are mushrooms. So this is one of the fungus. It is called bracket fungus. Mushroom definition is that it should have a stem, it should have a top. That qualifies this. So it doesn't have it. This will eventually open up like a saucer.
We never thought of being a part of such a great club, and we got to learn a lot about the nature and different species. The book and the pictures were really helpful in showing the different kinds of birds and species as well. We never actually gave an insight to the cause of the birds, so it was fun recognizing it. It was a good experience for me. I never experienced this type of sunset club and trekking, and I think this club will help me to overcome this phobia of dogs, snails, and something, everything. It was nice.
PBR में जो first level is that it identifies and characterizes different habitats within the boundary that we have. Say now we have 350 acres, so we have a certain boundary. इसमें different kinds के habitat कितने हैं? Each habitat allows a certain kind of biodiversity.
The security guards also receive training and play a major role in documenting and discovering new species on our campus.
इकडं भर कुणी तिकडं भर आले का परत ह्या करी घेऊन बसायचे असे येटाळ घालून सारखेच तोंड त्यांचे अशी येटाळे घालायचे.
नाव काय त्यांना काय म्हणतात?
नानाटी नानाटी आहे ना रे नानाटी. मग मी हाकलीत नेली बाहेर एक. ते म्हणले आता मारित नसेल मला नानाटी यांना मारू नका. तर ते कोणी यायची त्याच्या अंगावर येऊन बसायचे का परत असे त्यांचे सारखेच तोंड एवढं उंच व्हायचं. नाही काहीच नाही करत. मी म्हणलं नाही याचा आवत नाही. ती एक निघली ना तर 5 निघाल्या त्या माग.
Every year, the students engage themselves in different activities during the Wildlife Day celebrations. Here, Abhijit Afte is conducting a session on next box making workshop.
यहाँ पे स्क्रू लगा के बैक निकल जाएगा, ये गिर जाएगा, बैक नहीं करना. तो इधर से वायर, स्विचिंग वायर, पेड़ के 2 पोल, 2-3 टर्न.
Ramnadi originates in the northwest part of Pune city. Sadly, it has been turned into a sewage canal due to reckless garbage dumping on its banks.
ये नदी का पैच है, ये पूरा नदी का पैच है. नदी यहाँ से जाती है, सैकड़ों साल पहले नदी यहाँ से जाती है. लेकिन अभी मैं वही बोल रहा था कि पहले मैप आपके पास होना चाहिए. मैप होने के बाद नैसर्गिक जितनी भी चीजें हैं पहले नैसर्गिक चीजें बचाना होगा. आर्टिफिशियल इन लोगों ने उसको चेंज करके वहाँ रेसिडेंशियल बनाया. अगर ये पहले बचा पाओगे तो आपका नदी का मार्ग जो सैकड़ों साल से जैव विविधता के साथ बढ़ता था वो खत्म हो रहा है, उसको बच जाए.
Many students have taken the initiative to join hands with the officials and experts who are working to revive and restore Ramnadi.
आणि मुलं तुमची घरात आणि आमच्या बी घरात. मला काय पाहिजे ते मला सांगायचं आणि मी तुम्हाला मदत करायची.
The conclusion is that our campus is home to 120 species of birds, 30 species of snakes, 12 species of mammals and 10 species of frogs. Thanks to the dedicated efforts of the faculties, security guards and students, we have seen an increase in the number of all the species from last year's statistics. Symbiosis International University might be the only university which has established a separate biodiversity cell, and Ms. Shilpa Afte, Biodiversity Officer, has been relentlessly bringing us students on one platform to work on various wildlife conservation issues on campus since 2016. There is growing awareness of the need for robust impact evaluation in conservation. The time is therefore right to tackle the questions and situations regarding the consumeristic practices of humans today and to do our bit to make a real and a significant change.